Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we will cover the file management lesson. And this lesson is about 35 pages. Sometimes it will be more or less depend on the update because this book is updated. Okay, so it will be updated from time to time. So today it's 35 pages, so it will be in this range. So in this video, we will going to explore one of the most particular topics in the digital literacy, which is file management. Whether you are saving a paper for class or organization work, this is a critical skill that you need to know. So let's explore how to create, manage, and organize file using Windows tools and then save it locally or save it on the cloud storage like the OneDrive. So in the first part of this lesson, we will begin with the tools that you will use most of the time, like the start menu. Okay, so when you click here, you can see the start menu, and this start will be different depending on your device. So from the start menu, you can launch a point to access application, files, and settings. Also, we have a file explorer part, and in the file explorer, it's help you to browse the drivers, folders, and files that you have in your device. Also, from the start menu, you can go to settings, where you can do some settings for Windows and account page. And you can adjust and preferences and manage your user account, give them some permission, delete or add users. Also, in this taskbar, which is below, we can pin some stuff, and that, like some application that you visit usually, you put it and you pin it on the task, so it will be there forever. If it's not application, also if you use some files, you can pin it also for quick access. Also, this lesson will show you some stuff about covering how to getting started with Windows 11. So in this lesson, we will create, open, and save files. So you can create file if you go to here, for example, I want to go to desktop, and from desktop file, right-click new, create a new file, and then go inside that file. And inside that file, you can create more and more files and subfiles, or you can create some folders. Okay. Also, in this lesson, you will learn how to create, how to organize files, how to close them, and how to save after closing, especially if we are talking about document. Also, we will show you how you can get help to access some support and shortcuts when you are stuck. In this lesson also, we will explore the Microsoft Office interface and to get a little bit familiar with the tools and the command that often used. The third part of the lesson, we will talk about well organized for files, systems, and save it on the time, like even save it locally or on a cloud. We will talk about how can I create folders and subfolders and think of them as a digital drawer. Moving, renaming, and deleting files will be also one of the hands-on that we will work on. Also, we want to show you how can you work with zip file in case you have a file which is a huge file and you want to send it with an email, or you want to put it on a CD or a drive or thumb drive, and you want to shrink the size so you can work on something called compressing file using or zipping file using some applications. We want to select also show you how to select multiple files. So I can show you this step very quick. If you have different type, if I go to my desktop and they have those files, I can select 1, 2, 3, 4 by clicking Alt, or 1, 2, 3, 4 also by clicking Control, sorry, not Alt, Control. If you want to select a range from this to this, you will click Shift. So click on the first one, then Shift, then the last one, so you can select different files within a range. So this is one of the tips that we will talk about also in this lesson. In the part part number 4, we will talk about something called OneDrive. And OneDrive is a part of a cloud where you can save your information out of your device. It's not locally saved in your device, it will be saved on Drive. And on Drive, you can create an account with OneDrive using your email. And if you use your community college email, it will be free for you. So the OneDrive is where you can save on the cloud. So we want to understand the OneDrive. We want to understand that it's a Microsoft cloud platform. We want to create, save, and share folders on OneDrive. We want to upload also some folders, download some folders. Mainly OneDrive, we use it when we share between different team members. So if I'm working on a project with my team, instead of sending the file for them via attachment file or let's say thumb drive, which have a lot of kind of viruses and variability, I can just submit my file on the OneDrive and then give them access to edit on the same file. So all of us will be editing on the same file at the same time. Okay, so this is most of the things that we will talk about in this chapter. And what you have to do until the lesson or until the class, I want you to explore the File Explorer, create some files and subfiles, and try to make it like organized one. Practice to saving, renaming, and moving files, and try to upload a document on OneDrive and share it with your friend. Finally, what you have to do for this lesson, you have to do the quiz, the let me try, and a discussion. Now, again, show me, guide me, let me try. It's depend on your professor. For example, I will tell my student that you can go just for let me try because it's requirement. Show me and guide me will be optional. But this is for my students, so I don't know what your syllabus have or what your instructor wants you to do. So double check with your instructor which one you have to do and then work on it. That's for today and for the final management lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.